Today in history. 13th January 1942, hopeful and sunny, Dearborn, United States. Dear Diary, today was an amazing day because I got to see the famous soybean car that Henry Ford made. Everyone in Dearborn was buzzing with excitement because this cool car is made from soybeans, and it's lighter than other cars. There were lots of reporters and people taking pictures. I can't believe I was there to see such a special moment, and I think we might start calling this the soybean car unveiling. The reason this event happened is that the world is at war, and it's hard to find materials like steel that are usually used for making cars. Ford wanted to be smart and use something different. Instead of relying on things we might run out of, he thought he could use things from farms like soybeans. It's pretty cool that they could try to use plants to make cars. Before today, everyone had been worried because many factories had to stop making things because they needed to help with the war. Materials like rubber and metal were sent to soldiers instead of making our cars. So, Ford decided to be clever and find new ways to make cars using what we grow. I learned that he loves farming and believes in helping the land while making cool things. It was really exciting when they revealed the soybean car. Ford and some of his scientists were there, showing off the new car and talking about how it was made. Everyone clapped and cheered. Seeing that car made me think that maybe one day all cars could be made from things that grow, which would help our planet feel better. The car was so much lighter, around 30% less than regular cars. This could help save petrol and be better for the environment. I imagine myself driving it someday, zooming along the road. My friend Timmy said he wished he could have a car made of ice cream. But I think the soybean car is much better because it's really good for our world. There were lots of happy faces today, and even my dad was excited about it. He told me that Ford's idea could change how we build cars in the future. It was fun to think about what other things could be made from plants. Today made me hopeful that people will keep trying to find new ideas that help us all.